Since the union budget has been passed recently, what's your opinion? What's your intake?
Working class, of course, we have a tax slab reduction of 5% for 2.5 to 5 lakhs. So that was one good relief for 12.5K for all of us.
Okay.
Yeah, and looking other side who earns more than 50 lakhs, they are bearing another 10% surcharge because of this reduction for us.
Right.
So hopefully it is balanced budget.
Okay.
I hope so. Arun Jaitley and team will work out something better in next coming budget. Previously there was no transparency involved. I can contribute 1,000 crores rupees to the political for the campaigning and all.
Right.
But after the budget came into impact, see the limit has been 2,000 in cash. Yeah. So it makes clearly that we are moving to a digital era. So every transaction has to
Can
go
be
through
noted,
digital
yeah.
payment, PAN card, Aadhaar card, Bheem app. They're linking with every other possible stuff.
Are you guys aware of the union budget which was presented recently? I'm sure you guys are not, but looking at your faces, I get an idea. Completely bamboozled, right?
Honestly, no idea.
You can't compare the budgets because of the times that they were presented. So you can't say that the budget of 2007 or 8 was better because we came out during the financial crisis and that's why it was a crisis management. And you can't compare that budget with today's budget. So yeah, there were certain steps that the government took, such as demonetization and all of that, and those were reflected in the budget. So yeah, let's see
So
how
you
it pans
give a
out.
thumbs up to the budget, is it?
No, I'll wait for 6 months and see how the policy measures are implemented.
As of now, I guess this is the best budget I have ever seen.
Okay.
And the most important part what I have seen is that this is really, the focus of the budget is really the middle class and the lower middle class, not the upper middle class, which we actually used to see the earlier years. So this is really, this looks really interesting to me.
I feel it's fine. It will benefit the people who are below the thing, right? 5 lakhs income tax slab. So it's beneficial, I think.
Okay. So as I mentioned, are you guys aware of the budget?
Yeah, I am.
Okay. So
Are you trying to embarrass us?
no, it's just general opinion of the people.
Okay.
So what do you think? Is it? I mean, did they have any points this time around which is better than the last time they presented the budget?
This is embarrassing.
Because I'm pretty sure that she doesn't know. Even
What do you know?
to be honest, I don't even know about the main points.
There is a lack of job creation, which is definitely needed government's prior, immediate attention, I would say. But you just can't say ki, there is no hope of expectations from government. Because see, how do I perceive in India? Ki we are a large nation. We have lot of population, more than a continent like Europe itself. But with God's grace, India has got a lot of resources also, and intellectual capabilities also, human resources also, technology also, natural resources also. The only thing which we need is to configure all those resources and make it compatible, and to provide and to navigate and cascade it for each to the last milestone. So somebody, a leader maybe like Modi probably can configure all these resources, put together and do something good for India.
So as of me, that this is the best budget I can see.
What do you think?
Yeah, I think it is what I have looked so far. It is one of the best budget. The best thing is after 20 years or such, there has been a deduction in the tax rate. Like it came down from 10% to 5% after 20%. After 20 years, last time the tax rate was deducted in 1990s, early 1990s by Chidambaram. But this is the best thing I see. And another thing is that the surcharge, the tax surcharge has increased on super rich. Like the people earning more than something around 50 lakhs. The surcharge has increased. That is one of the best things. And one thing I'm not happy about is the defense allocation has decreased. No, not increased that much. So it is somewhat like constant, like last year. So as we are facing these terrorist threats and aggressive Pakistan and China on both the sides, so the defense budget should have been increased at least by 10% or so, but it has increased around 6%. So that is one of the negatives. But overall, it was a very good budget.
I would think, there are a few positives. There are pros and cons to everything, right? I would say it's a good thing to have an increase of, the new app that we have, which is encouraging electronic payments. So that's a nice thing. That's a step forward. And I think it would curb a lot of, wrong sources of, where money comes from wrong sources, right? So to curb that, I feel, that's my personal opinion, in my limited opinion. So that's what I feel.
I do not have any fucking idea about that because I'm working on something else. I work for a company and I work for my startup. I do not have any time to even read about it. What is getting cheap? What is getting costly? So, dude, no idea.
Okay.